Hello students, I am Dr. Pragati Jadhav and I am here to explain the experiment frequency of AC mains by using vibrating wire and magnet. The aim of this experiment is to find frequency of AC supply by using vibrating wire and magnets. Apparatus required for this experiment are 6 volt transformer, bar magnets, sonometer box, copper wire, slotted weights, 2 movable bridges and meter scale. Now for this experiment, this is the diagram in which this is the copper wire, these are the movable bridges, this is the bar magnet, this is the transformer and this is the weight attached, this is a pulley, and here the formula required for this experiment is n is equal to 1 upon 2L under root T by M. So by squaring both the sides, the formula becomes n square is equal to 1 upon 4M into T by L square. So here n is a frequency of AC, M is a mass per unit length of copper wire, T is a tension in copper wire and L is the resonating length. Now we will see how to do this experiment. Now observations for this experiment are, first is mass of the hanger which is 500 grams, second one is density of material of copper wire, rho is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter square, and third one has to observe the diameter of copper wire. So one has to take the diameter by using micrometer screw gauge by taking 3 different readings and taking mean D. We will get the mean D which is equal to ... centimeter. Then radius of copper wire which is R is equal to D by 2 is equal to ... centimeter, and fifth one is mass per unit length of copper wire which will be calculated. M is equal to rho into pi r square and unit of this is gram per centimeter. So in this experiment, this is the actual experimental setup in which this is the transformer which gives the 6 volt AC, and this 6 volt AC supply is given to this copper wire. So this is a copper wire and these are the movable bridges and this is the bar magnet, and this copper wire is going from this pulley and here weight is attached. Here weight is attached and the weight of hanger which is 500 grams. So when weight is attached and we move this movable bridges, due to application of electric and magnetic energy and application of tension, here is resonance of we observe the resonance at particular length, and so this is the length at which this wire is start vibrating. So one has to take this length and by measuring this length, this is about 29 centimeter. So one has to write this length at this. So this is 29 centimeter. So here observation table for this experiment is mass attached in gram. So we will attach the mass as 500 gram, 1000 gram, 1500 gram, 2000 gram, 2500 gram and 3000 gram. So next column is tension, T is equal to M into G. So value of M is given in this column and G is equal to 980. So by multiplying with 980 we will calculate this tension which is that tension which is calculated by T is equal to M into G has the unit dynes. So by varying the weight, one will measure the resonating length of this wire again. So I have attached here 1000 gram and I will observe the resonating length. So this is the length at which this copper wire just start resonating. So this length is 37 centimeter. So I will write here 37 centimeter. So in this way, one has to find out the resonating length for the various mass attached up to 3000 grams. So this is the column for loading, and again one has to take the same readings for unloading. That is, this last reading for 3000 gram will be same as before. Then one has to reduce the weight attached by 500 gram and write the resonating length at this 2500 gram mass attached. And in this way, one has to write the reading for resonating length for unloading. Then one has to take the mean length, which will be the mean of this first and second column of resonating length. Then one has to take square of this mean length, which is in centimeter square. Then as by calculating T is equal to M into G, so one can write the T by L square. So T from this third column and L square from this column. So one can write T by L square, which has the unit dyne per centimeter square. And by taking this 6 or calculating this T by L square for these 6 different readings, one can calculate the mean T by L square. So by taking this mean T by L square and by using the formula N square is equal to 1 upon 4m into T by L square mean. So one can calculate the square of frequency, and by taking the square root of this entity, one can get the frequency of AC. N is equal to ... hertz. So for this experiment, one may write the result, that is frequency of AC supply by using copper wire is equal to N is equal to ... hertz. So moving towards the theory of this experiment. So one has to know what is a frequency. So frequency is number of waves per unit time. Then one has to know what is a AC. AC is nothing but the alternating current, and which has one positive cycle and one negative cycle. So one can find out the frequency of AC supply by using this experiment, and the standard value of frequency of AC in India is 50 hertz. So with this I will stop here. Thank you.